Imagine waking up at 7 a.m. feeling a lightness you haven't known in years. No bloating, no heavy fog, just pure energy. What changed? Last night you drank one simple glass. This isn't magic, it's science. After 50, your digestion slows, enzymes fade, and waste can build up in your colon not just from yesterday, but from weeks or even months ago. This buildup releases toxins, blocks nutrients, and fuels fatigue. But your body has a secret, a powerful overnight repair cycle. While you sleep, your gut is primed to clean and reset. The right drink before bed acts like a key, unlocking this natural process. You're not just taking a remedy, you're joining your body's own intelligent cleanse. Tonight we go beyond eat more fiber. We're tapping into soluble gels that sweep the intestines, compounds that activate bile, and triggers that restart your digestive rhythm, all with ingredients already in your kitchen. This is your guide to turning night into your gut's greatest ally. The overnight advantage, why nighttime is prime cleansing time. While you sleep, your body shifts from digest and expend mode to repair and restore. Blood flow increases to your digestive organs. The migrating motor complex, MMC, a deep wave-like cleaning motion in your intestines, is most active during fasting periods, like sleep. By consuming a cleansing drink 60 to 90 minutes before bed, you provide the raw materials for this nightly renovation project. The fluids hydrate, the fibers expand, and the bioactive compounds go to work, all while your conscious mind is at rest. You are, quite literally, cleansing in your sleep. 1. The Master Cleanser, Chia and Lemon Hydration Gel. Before we begin, a quick and honest request. 99% of viewers watching this right now are not subscribed. My goal is to reach 50,000 subscribers this month, and I genuinely need your support to make it happen. If you're ready to feel lighter and finally solve your gut issues, please subscribe and like this video right now. It helps more than you know. Now, let's get started. This isn't just a drink, it's an internal brush. The magic lies in transformation. The science behind it, chia seeds are among the richest sources of soluble fiber. When mixed with liquid, they form a soft, gelatinous mass that moves slowly through your digestive tract. This gel acts like a soft sponge, binding to waste particles and gently scouring the intestinal walls. Simultaneously, the citric acid and flavonoids in fresh lemon juice stimulate your liver to produce more bile, a natural laxative that emulsifies fats and lubricates the colon for a smooth exit. Together, they create a gentle yet effective bulking and flushing action. The recipe. 1 cup of warm water, body temperature not hot. 1 tablespoon of black or white chia seeds. Juice of 1/2 a fresh lemon. A tiny pinch of high-quality sea salt to enhance mineral balance and fluid absorption. Protocol. Stir the chia seeds into the warm water and let the mixture sit for 10 to 15 minutes. You will see it thicken into a gel-like consistency. Just before drinking, stir in the fresh lemon juice and salt. Drink this 60 minutes before bed. Follow with an additional half glass of plain warm water to ensure the chia gel continues to move smoothly. Ideal for anyone new to gut cleansing or those with a tendency toward dry, hard stools. This is your foundational, gentle, nightly ritual. 2. The Inflammation Soother, Flaxseed and Cinnamon Comfort Milk. For those whose digestive sluggishness is paired with internal inflammation or blood sugar concerns, this drink is a targeted therapy. The science behind it, ground flaxseed provides both soluble and insoluble fiber, but its secret weapon is mucilage, a thick healing gel that soothes irritated intestinal linings. The lignans in flaxseed are potent antioxidants that help reduce gut inflammation. Ceylon cinnamon, not the common cassia variety, contains compounds that improve insulin sensitivity, preventing the blood sugar spikes that can disrupt sleep and feed inflammatory gut bacteria. The warm almond milk, makes it a comforting, sleep-inducing tonic. The recipe: 1 cup of unsweetened warm almond milk, 1 tablespoon of freshly ground flaxseed. Grind it yourself for maximum potency. 1/2 teaspoon of true Ceylon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, optional for flavor. A drizzle of raw honey, optional for taste. Protocol: gently warm the almond milk. Remove from heat and whisk in the freshly ground flaxseed and cinnamon. Let it steep for 5 minutes to allow the flax to release its mucilage. Add vanilla and honey if desired. Sip slowly 75 minutes before bedtime. Ideal for individuals with IBS-like symptoms, metabolic syndrome, or those who feel inflamed after eating. 3. The gas and bloat dissolver, Fennel and ginger carminative tea. This remedy targets the uncomfortable upper and mid-digestive symptoms, gas, cramping, and bloating that often accompany slow transit. The science behind it. Fennel seeds are a classic carminative containing enanthole, a compound that relaxes spasms in the smooth muscles of the intestines, allowing trapped gas to pass. Ginger is a prokinetic agent, meaning it stimulates the muscular contractions of the digestive tract, getting things moving. Its active component, gingerol, also reduces nausea and inflammation. This combination is like a gentle massage and a wake-up call for your stagnant gut. The recipe: 1.5 cups of filtered water, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, lightly crushed with a mortar and pestle, 1/2 inch of fresh ginger root, thinly sliced or grated, a slice of organic lemon, optional. Protocol: bring the water to a boil. Add the crushed fennel seeds and ginger. Reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 5 minutes. Remove from heat and let it steep, covered, for another 10 minutes. Strain into a mug. Sip slowly 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Ideal for nights after a heavy meal or for those who regularly experience evening bloating and discomfort. 4. The stagnation breaker, Prune and ACV electrolyte shot. When things feel truly stuck and you need a more potent signal to your colon, this concentrated shot is your ally. The science behind it: prune juice contains sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that draws water into the colon via osmosis, softening stool and creating a natural laxative effect. The malic acid in apple cider vinegar with the mother supports healthy stomach acid levels, crucial for protein digestion, and provides enzymes. The pinch of salt provides electrolytes like sodium and chloride, which are essential for optimal muscle function, including the muscles of your colon. The recipe: 1/2 cup of pure unsweetened prune juice, 1 teaspoon of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 1 tiny pinch of Himalayan pink salt or sea salt, 2 tablespoons of warm water to dilute. Protocol: mix all ingredients together. Drink this quickly 30 minutes before bed. Crucial: ensure you are well hydrated throughout the day before using this and be prepared for a strong natural urge to eliminate in the morning. Ideal for occasional use for stubborn constipation or to jumpstart a more regular routine. Use 1 to 2 times per week at most. 5. The powerful flush, Prune, Raisin, and Flaxseed sweeper. This combination is designed for a powerful yet natural overnight cleansing action. The recipe: 15 dried prunes, pitted, 1 tablespoon whole flax seeds, 2 tablespoons raisins, 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, warm water. How to make it: place all ingredients into a blender or food processor. Blend on high until you get a thick, smooth paste. Drink this mixture in one go, about 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime. Follow it with an extra glass of warm water. Why it works: this is a triple action formula. The prunes provide natural sorbitol for a gentle osmotic laxative effect. The raisins add concentrated fiber and minerals like potassium to support muscle function. The whole flax seeds add bulk and omega-3s. Together, they create a powerful fiber-rich mixture that hydrates, bulks, and stimulates the colon for a significant cleansing effect by morning. 6. The Deep Clean Psyllium and Aloe Vera Colon Sweep. This is the most powerful mechanical cleanser on the list, designed for a deeper, bulk-forming action. Respect its power. The science behind it. Psyllium husk is a supremely potent source of soluble fiber. It expands dramatically, forming a soft, bulky mass that puts gentle pressure on the colon walls, triggering peristalsis and effectively sweeping out debris. Aloe vera juice, inner fillet, decolorized, is intensely soothing and anti-inflammatory for the gut lining and has a mild stimulant laxative effect. Together, they clean and heal. The recipe: 1 teaspoon of organic psyllium husk powder, 1/2 cup of pure aloe vera juice, food grade, or 1/2 cup of warm water. Protocol: this must be prepared and consumed immediately. Mix the psyllium powder with the aloe vera juice and water in a large glass. Stir vigorously and drink it all within 60 seconds before it thickens. Follow immediately with an additional full glass of water. Ideal for a periodic deep cleanse. Use no more than 2 to 3 times per week and always with ample water. Maximizing your overnight success. The pre-sleep ritual 1. Timing is everything. Consume your chosen drink 60 to 90 minutes before lights out. This gives your body time to begin processing it before the deepest sleep phases. 2. The left side rule. After drinking and when you go to bed, try to lie on your left side. Anatomy favors this position for the stomach and colon to empty their contents more efficiently. 3. Digital sunset. Turn off all screens 30 minutes before bed. The blue light disrupts melatonin production, and melatonin also helps regulate gut motility. 4. The morning anchor. Upon waking before coffee or food, drink a large glass of room temperature water with a squeeze of lemon. This rehydrates the system and capitalizes on the gastrocolic reflex, amplifying the cleansing work done overnight. Your path to a lighter, cleaner gut begins not with a drastic overhaul, but with a single intentional glass tonight. Choose the recipe that speaks to your primary need: gentle hydration, inflammation relief, or breaking stagnation. Listen to your body's response. This is the art of cooperating with your biology, using nature's most effective tools to reclaim the vitality and comfort that is your birthright. If this guide has illuminated a simple, powerful path to better digestive health for you, please support this channel. Hit the like button and subscribe to join our community dedicated to mastering holistic well-being after 50. Your engagement helps us deliver more of this life-changing content. Here's to your health and to waking up lighter tomorrow.